Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey Clashers! Ever wished you could manage your village, train troops, and raid opponents on your powerful Mac instead of just your phone? It's a common desire, bringing that immersive mobile gaming experience to a bigger screen. Well, good news. By 2025, playing Clash of Clans on your Mac is becoming much easier than you might think. We're here to walk you through the simplest ways to make it happen. Historically, if you wanted to play Clash of Clans on your Mac, Android emulators were the go-to solution. Programs like BlueStacks or Nox Player created a virtual Android phone right on your desktop, allowing you to download and play mobile games. They certainly got the job done, but sometimes they could be a bit demanding on your Mac's resources or occasionally run into compatibility issues. Thankfully, things are evolving for the better. Looking ahead to 2025, playing mobile games on your Mac is becoming much simpler. Apple has introduced powerful tools, like the Game Porting Toolkit, which makes it easier for developers to adapt their iOS games for Mac OS. This is fantastic news because it means we could soon see an official, optimized version of Clash of Clans made specifically for your Mac. Imagine playing with native performance and controls, no emulators needed. So why is a native Mac version of Clash of Clans so much better? Well, it means superior performance. The game can fully utilize your Mac's hardware, leading to much smoother gameplay, crisper graphics, and far fewer unexpected crashes. Plus, with an official version, you'll get direct support and timely updates from Supercell themselves. This ensures you're always playing the most optimized and stable version of the game available. To sum it up, for playing Clash of Clans on your Mac in 2025, your best bet is to stay updated on any official announcements from Supercell regarding a dedicated Mac version. Keep an eye on the Mac App Store. If a native version isn't immediately available, a reliable, updated Android emulator can still offer a great experience. Either way, get ready to build, battle, and clash on that beautiful, big Mac screen. Happy clashing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.